I ran into an issue with my Gemilai 3609 espresso machine. First, I noticed some moisture building up inside the pressure gauge, not a good sign. Then I started hearing a weird noise coming from inside the machine. So I did what we all do, searched YouTube, and found out it's actually a common issue with this model. The culprit, a faulty F connector. I ordered a replacement set from District C on Shopee. When it arrived, I got to work. First step, remove the top cover by unscrewing the two screws at the back. As soon as I open it up, boom, there was water everywhere inside. I power it on to check and yep, the F connector was leaking. You can actually see the mist of water spraying out. Honestly, I'm surprised the machine was still working. Next, I removed the damaged F connector. There are 3 clips on each side you'll need to take off. Inside there are 2 O-rings per connector, and of course I lost one of them. Classic. After that, just gently put the tubes back in and snap the clips into place. That's it. It might look intimidating, but it's honestly not that hard. If I can do it, you can too. Now, my espresso machine is good as new. It's back, baby!